Good evening, everyone. It is July 10th, 2017. We're doing a quick personal box break for Karen in the YouTube stream. She purchased a personal box of 2015-16 Fleer Showcase Hockey. So, here it is. So I think this is the second box out of the fresh inner case that Karen has started, and should be some very, very big hits coming out of one of these boxes. She allowed me to pick the box for her, so hopefully I pulled a really, really good box. There was no Connor McDavid in the first half of the Master, so this is the second half. So hopefully we can pull something big for Karen. Alrighty, 2 more packs to go. We can start this break. Alrighty, Karen. Good luck. Jonathan Toews, Flair Showcase. And we have Hot Prospects, Auto Patch. Ottawa Senators, 105 of 499, Matt Pumpel. Nice. Wayne Gretzky, Flair Showcase. Zach Parise, jersey. Colin Miller medal. Nick Ritchie prospects, 135 of 499, Skybox Premium. Zachary Fucal medal. And nice, we have a Dylan Larkin. Flair Showcase jersey relic. And nice, we have a blue ice Wayne Gretzky. And that is card number 76 of 99. Sam Bennett medal. Flair Showcase Alex Ovechkin. And another blue ice, Oscar Lindbergh, rookie. And that is card number 108 of 199. And there you go. Well, there you go, Karen. That was your personal box right there. Couple nice blue ices, relic of Dylan Larkin, Nick Ritchie prospects, relic of Zach Parise, and a Matt Pumpel, 3 color. There's a little bit of red down there. Patch, autograph. Thank you, Karen. JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.